Hey everyone, ReplyRush's Suggest More feature lets you auto-send predefined templates with product recommendations to engaged users. Let me show you the complete setup in under a minute. When someone engages with your post, they automatically get multiple product suggestions with clickable buttons. Here's how to set it up. Go to ReplyRush dashboard, click Suggest More from the sidebar. Toggle on Suggest More. At the top, turn on Automatically Enable on New Post so it works on all future posts. Turn on Enable for already linked posts to activate it on existing content too. Now create your template. Write your button title like Suggest More or View Products. Add your product URL in the link field. You can add multiple buttons by clicking Add New Button for different product recommendations. Once everything looks good, click Save at the bottom. That's it. Your Suggest More feature now automatically sends product recommendation templates to interested. Like this video if it helped, and comment what products you'll be suggesting.